I look like a crackhead now. Yeah, practice session was great. I struck with like 7 bowling balls, which means tomorrow I'm bowling awful. Yeah, practice session was great. I struck with like 7 bowling balls, which means tomorrow I'm bowling awful. Nick, we got one shot of you bowling. You got 5. How'd that go?
Too many reps. I've been telling people. Too many reps.
Yeah, you changed your fit how long ago?
2 weeks ago.
You like it?
Indifferent. I don't know where it's going off my hand.
So nothing's changed. I bowled on 1 pair the whole time.
So your practice strategy is bowl on 1 pair the whole
Yeah,
time?
I asked Pete if it was cool if I just stay on my starting pair.
He's like, yeah, I'm just gonna throw 500 grit up 5, and then yeah, I don't know why they were so easy the whole time.
I tried that, and we had 1 lane. It was like Mikey, Chris, and I that
just destroyed it.
No, the right lane with 2-8-10, 2-8-10, 5 count washout, and then the left lane actually like developed and blended. So
that
we're
must have been the lane we took the video of him on.
All I know is the practice session for me. What the f?
Did you see me bowl?
Yeah, I watched you for about 10 minutes. I'm like, What are you doing?
I talked to Tommy for like 30 minutes and he saw that I had a good look and he just me up. I think he got me good on purpose.
Probably.
Tommy said he wanted to help you. He just wanted to get one extra.
He said, I saw Packy hit the pocket twice. We can't be having that. Packy, throw it as hard as you can with the shiniest ball you got.
Also, was he joking because he told you, he's like, hey, you need to be playing around 12 to 7, throw it pretty hard. You grab a purple, you do that, you dead ace it off your hand. He says that'll never work, and it was 10 back.
Oh, no, he was joking when he said that. No, I missed the pocket like 3 or 4 times, and he goes, why don't you just play like 12 to 8, throw that ball as hard as you can. And I was like, okay, yeah, that sounds like a good plan. I nail it, crush the pocket. He's like, yeah, that'll never work. And I had to confirm with him that he was joking. I was like, you were kidding, right? And he goes, yeah, of course I'm kidding. That works every time.
Literally off your hand. It was 10 back. Off your hand, I mean, he said, no, never works. And then it was 10 back and he walked away and then you ball changed. I was like,
no.
What?
It's because that was like the second time I did that or something, and he was like, yeah, that'll never work.
That almost messed me up because when he said that, I was like, wait, that looked good.
I thought that was close. Oh my God, let me go get some different bowling balls. Yeah, basically practice for Kev went amazing. Practice for Packy went good for the first 30 minutes, and then
he started talking to ball reps.
And then it went okay for the next 30, and then it went horrible for the next 30, and that was my practice session. So we're drilling a couple balls tomorrow morning and seeing what happens.
Put your pants on.
They are on.
You need new pants.
Debatable if his pants are on. What do we think?
Bedtime, boys.
Okay.
And
is it bedtime or is it getting the night started?
on that note, we are out.
I hate to admit it, but sex sells.
I know.
Also, did you see the video?
The video when